Creating a student progress report in Compass.
To schedule a weekly progress report to be sent to your email, there's a few steps you have to do. Now, you only have to do this once for the whole year. So I'm going to start by clicking on My Students. The first part, if you click on My Classes and then choose your class, you'll probably have one. I would just do one class at a time. So I clicked on Classes, then I check the class that I want to create the report. And then come over to Run Report, and I'm just hovering, go down to Progress Reports, and then you're going to move over to Student Progress. This is the best report to show exactly what the students have done that week. It's kind of tricky to get to. Again, Progress Reports, and then move over, come down to Student Progress. Click on that, and this window comes up. Now, we have to click through each tab to set this up. Again, you're only going to do this once, so don't swear at me. All right, Student Progress Report. I'm going to change this to weekly. If you're setting up more than one, you may want to put period 1 or your homeroom or your last name. I'm going to put homeroom 101. Keep it as last week. Everything else stays the same. Okay, so that's the details page. We just changed the name. And I am going to capitalize that. Click on the next tab, Curricula. Leave that. You don't need to do anything, but you do need to click on it. Then click on Assignments. Let's leave it as all work. It will be all the NWA learning paths and any other work that's assigned. Click on Students. This is where, since we started, we already added your homeroom or your class. That should be all set. Then click on Schedule and Send. Here we're going to spend a little bit of time. The first thing you need to do is just click the status on and change the report to each week. The next thing, we changed it to each week. We need to change that end date. I would suggest changing it to the end of the year. So I'm going to go click through till June and just pick one of the later dates in June. So I'm going to click June 20th. So it's every week starting today till the end of the year. And then choose the date that you want it sent. It sends it at like 4 in the morning. So if you want a full week, you can click Saturday. Some teachers like to use it as an incentive. Others may choose to get the report on a Thursday or Friday, and then that's the time when they conference with their students. Anyways, choose your day. This should be checked already, your email. If you want a co-teacher or someone else to receive this report and save them from setting this all up, you can put multiple emails in here and just put a comma between them. The next important thing, make sure you attach a PDF. Okay, so we turned it on. You have the start and the stop date each week. Choose a day, and then click on the PDF. And I am done. I'm going to save, and that's all I need to do. I'm going to save again. And the report is now saved. I can close this. If at another time you would like to see or change the status of your report, just click on Reports, the Reports tab, and you can click on All My Reports or My Progress Reports. When I click here, I can see the report that I just created. If I want to run it, it will run it right within Compass, and there's a few extra, it will open up and there's some features you can click on and drill down. If you want to go back to that settings page and maybe add another teacher or stop the reports, you can click back on the settings and it will bring up this window. At this point, you can just click ahead. You do not have to click through each tab. I can also click here and run now. Okay, so again, once you're set with this, you should get that weekly report, and it will have an overview, a summary for each student of the work they did that week, and then it will break it down by activity.
There are tons of reports in Compass to be looked at a later date, but this student progress report will get you conferencing, get data on your students, and I think it's probably the most helpful.